Guys, I've made a link here. I'm actually on this link here. I will put it in the description of the video. I want you to go there. This is the federal case coming up against mandates, everything. There's 4 cases here, and we need as much Canadian support as we can to support Shaun Rickard's case that is coming up on September 21st, 2022. So here are the cases that will be heard on that day. Carl Harrison, Nabil Ben-Niem, the Honorable Brian Peckford. For those that don't know, that's the person who was a co-writer of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. And we got Maxime Bernier's case here. So all 4 of these cases are going to be heard, and what we're going to be finding out is if they're going to throw this out or not. And what we need is tremendous amount of support, making it harder for this process to be corrupted, knowing that this many Canadians are involved in this lawsuit. So I'm emailing this out to my database. I'm putting it on every single social media on September 21st. There is a video conference. You can register. This link here, I will also copy and paste and put below the description of this video here. I will put a link to this court case. And furthermore, Shaun Rickard is the person that is launched this lawsuit, and this is the one that's being heard. So I'm going to just quickly read. It'll be hard for you to see in a video here, so I'm going to read his words, and this is a call out to all Canadians to help support this cause. So, travel ban lawsuit, mootness hearing, update for those who will be attending in person or virtually via Zoom. Date September 21st, 2022. Location Ottawa Federal Court, 90 Spark Street, Ottawa, Ontario. Okay, please share this post Canada-wide. So you can share this video as well because it's covering everything that's in there. Just share this video. The links are in there. He's on Gettr. Gettr, I don't find that many people on it. I've got a lot of subscribers on Rumble, and I'm also going to mail this to my database. So these links will be included wherever you're seeing this if you're watching this video. As I'd hoped when I made my earlier post urging Canadians to email the federal court requesting information as to how they may attend this landmark and critical hearing, it would seem that It would seem that due to an overwhelming number of requests received that the federal court has publicly posted this information to their website, much like they did when thousands of Canadians requested access to the transcripts from our cross-examination of the government's witnesses a few weeks ago. If you're planning to attend in person or virtually via Zoom, please follow the link below. You will find the Zoom invite link there too. Bang. So this is the link I'm sharing. I'm also going to send you the direct Zoom link. Download this PDF for a guide and a list of rules to attend the federal court are requiring for courtroom attendance. I will also present this link for you somewhere in the description of this video. If you're on Awake Canada, it'll be below the video. Summary: if the Attorney General of Canada, David Lametti, and his team of 10 government lawyers are successful in convincing a federal court judge that ours and the 3 other cases are moot based on the vaccine travel ban and mandates being temporarily suspended, all 4 cases currently before the court will be dismissed and will never be heard by a judge. This is a tactic they've used before. This is something we need a lot of Canadians present to not allow this to happen. Meaning that 10 months of insanely intensive and all-consuming hard work by our incredibly talented lawyer and ourselves, along with the close to $400,000 in legal fees for our case alone, will be essentially flushed down the drain. This will also give free rein to the Trudeau government to reinstate these tyrannical mandates whenever they so choose. And we simply cannot allow this to happen. In the event that we lose our fight against this motion, rest assured we will appeal the decision to the highest court in the land, which in Canada, that's the Superior Court. But in order to do so and to continue this fight to the end, we will need your help. If you are able to do so, please follow the link below to donate to our legal fund. There are 3 options available to send funds, including e-transfer, regular mail, and Give, Send, Go. Thank you. So guys, this is the case. This is the landmark legal battle that we've been waiting for. And probably not enough Canadians know this. So we need you to share this video on social media. I'll even put a link of this video where you can download it and upload it to social media. So if you're sharing a Rumble link or you're sharing this and that, Facebook and all these social media platforms have a way of censoring that and directing people to bad links and all that stuff. Because whenever you exit a link from a social media company, they in fact control that link. They can send you anywhere they want, and then you think it's broken and then you don't come back. They do this. They've been doing this from the beginning of this. So I'm going to give you a link to the download, and if you are not able to see this, go to awakecanada.org in a fresh browser and Google Shaun Rickard, spelt this way. Or not Google, sorry, search. That's how badly we've come to depend on Google. We call searching Googling, okay? From now on, forget about Google. Google is corrupt pieces of shit, and they've shown it a million times over. So go to Awake Canada in the menu, whether you're on mobile or you are on a computer device. There is a search field in the menu. Type in Shaun Rickard. You will find this video, this post with all the pertinent links. And then, if you wish, download this video. I'll make a download link available for you. Download this link and upload it to your social media. Otherwise, just share it the way it is. Share it as much as you can. Share it on every social media platform. We need millions and millions of Canadians, not only at this physical location of the court, which is, again, it is, well, I'll post that in the information below. But we need people on the Zoom conference. We need pressure, pressure, pressure. This is the most important legal battle according to everything that's happened so far. In BC, we have a Bonnie Henry coming up. Once that does, I will post information that's particular to that. But right now, this is a federal lawsuit that solves the problems provincially right across the country. The government has overstepped their bounds, and we need Canadians to let the government know that we are all behind this case for what it stands for. So thanks for your support. Now, guys, actually, I just wanted to add one other thing. Regardless of what happens to this case, but please participate in it like I've requested, but regardless of what happens in this case, understand this is never over until we say it is. And what I mean by that is over has been, is, and always will be 100% non-compliance. Do not obey any government mandates. They are unlawful. They are illegal. Even if this is passed, they are unlawful. And, you know, if you don't understand the difference of those terms, I advise you to go to awarriorcalls.com, where you're going to learn that we are all born with God-given rights. All laws are based on common law. And common law is thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not inflict harm or death upon or injury to another person. And as long as you are abiding by those rules, you are free to do whatever you want on this planet. You don't have to, the government doesn't have the right to tell you where to eat, when to go to bed, what time your bars are shutting down, what time, any of this. United non-compliance. This goes for businesses. This goes for people. It's what we've been preaching from the beginning. This fall, we need Canadians to step up and united non-compliance. Do it this time. Your way has not worked. The meek and mild following and obeying restrictions had led to countless things. This never ends. Now they want you to get a booster every 3 months. This will never end until all Canadians stand up together, unified and united with one single mission: united non-compliance.